Best combination bike lock. These locks are popular because you don't need a key. As long as you can remember the code, you can always unlock your bike. Let's take a look at them. Number 1. Most popular. Sportneer Bicycle Chain Lock. This bike chain lock has an advanced 5-digit combination lock, allowing up to 100,000 possible codes, making it nearly impossible to crack. The 5-digit combination allows up to 100,000 possible codes, making it nearly impossible to crack. Best of all, it allows for keyless convenience. It's built to last, with a durable cut-resistant cable made from manganese steel and a protective exterior coating to prevent scratches. This bike lock cable is made from 0.27-inch extra-thick manganese steel for cut resistance and a protective zinc-plated coating to prevent scratching. A flexible cloth sleeve that covers the chains to protect it from being scratched and sawed. Long lifespan. Number 2. UBULLOX Bike Chain Lock. The 5-digit resettable combination locking mechanism allows up to 100,000 possible codes, which makes the bicycle lock impossible to crack. The bike chain lock is easy to set or reset your own personalized number combination. This bike lock chain will bring your life more convenience. The total length of this bike lock is 36 inch, and the weight of this bike chain lock is 1.71 pounds. It's portable and lightweight enough to ride around with your bike. You can wrap the combination bike lock on your bike frame or just put it in your backpack to enjoy your beautiful day like never before. Number 3. Titanker Bike Chain Lock. The overall length of the chain lock is about 3 feet and about 0.24 inches thick. This chain bike lock is enclosed in a flexible protective cloth sleeve, which effectively protects the chain from rusting and scratching. With 6mm thick security heavy-duty chain links, our bike lock is made of heavy-duty steel known for its cut resistance. It has an easy-to-set combination, 4-digit combination locking mechanisms for keyless convenience. Easy to set your own personalized number combination. Portable safe size. The overall length of the chain lock is about 3 feet and about 0.24 inches thick. Lock weight, 1.4 pounds. Overall, this is a nice and protective bike chain lock that you could buy. Number 4. Master Lock 8143D Bike Lock. The Master Lock 8143D preset combination cable lock is 4 feet, 1.2 meters long, and features a 5/16-inch, 8mm diameter braided steel for maximum strength and flexibility. The protective vinyl coating protects against scratches. The 4-dial combination security offers keyless convenience. The limited lifetime warranty offers peace of mind from a brand you can trust. This bike lock is best used for basic security and as a theft deterrent. Preset 4-digit combination bicycle lock for keyless convenience. The combination cannot be changed. The bike lock cable is self-coiling and features braided steel for strength and flexibility. The bike has a self-coiling design for easy use and storage.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.